Hi, my name is Marian A. Alipudin, one of your students from MBA 104. Today, I will be discussing the structural business financial management function. I created a simple business financial management structure which comprises of finance director, project management support, management accountant, financial accountant, accounts payable and receivable, treasurer, and cost accountant. Let's start with the highest position, which is the finance director. He or she is the senior executive of the business. He is or she responsible for overall company's financial health. Finance director has the full control in all records of the financial management, financial transactions, policies, company's financial report, business performance and results. Finance director has the full access with the operations and managing accounting and financial control function. He or she is also the frontliner for all reports to shareholders, journalists, investors, analysts, stakeholders to provide the overview of the business performance and result to build confidence in the company's financial performance. He is also a leader, or he is the leader in all areas of the finance department. Next, we also have project management support. He is responsible for defining standards and executing tasks associated with managing projects. He is also a schedule maker for project plans based on the goals, resources, potential risk, time to market, and budget constraints. He is also the scheduler in a sense of project team meetings, status updates, action plans, project dashboard, outline for both projects underway and backlogs, new procedures internally. He is also the speaker in identifying dependencies and possible issues across teams. He also communicates clear and actionable deliverables, resources, and timelines throughout the project process. He is also the creator and identifier of the process and activities to be improved, balancing projects, documentation, and support materials for the project plan. Next, we do have financial accountant. He is responsible for the books and records of the business. He is also the speaker in providing the financial accountant's evaluation of the meaning and trends of the financial report. He is also providing feedback and advice to senior management related to asset quality, liability, position, cash flow sufficiency, and revenue and expense issues. He is also the reporter in the sense of providing updates on the status and use of the company's resources, budget and results for the projection and business plan, financial news that could affect the organization's operation. He or she is also a mathematician, so this is due to the extensive knowledge with the computation of tax, how to reduce tax-free, non-taxable assets, swaps, cash flow planning, and etc. We do also have management accountant. So they are also normally called as a chief intelligence officer. So this management accountant is also responsible for the installation, development, and efficient functioning of the management accounting system. They design the framework of the data or the useful data at most appropriate time. They are also called the intermediary in the sense of collecting vital information within and outside of the company. No one in the organization knows more various functions of the organization except for this management accountant. They are also the policy maker within the organization. They formulate and administer the accounting policies and procedures, compiling records as required. They are also master for approval of the regulations or standard process, compliance, government policies, payments, promissory note, insurance, and all standard policies related to accounting matters. So they are also called the budget director. They are in charge of all reports to be cascaded. Next in line, we do have treasurer. So they are the main contact for money received, spent, and invested by the organization. They are also responsible for all financial statement, how the money was spent, what funds were received, and how much money is invested. So they are also doing special reports, which benefits of spending funds on the new project, comparison of the earnings potential of different investment opportunities. They are also responsible for annual budget for the expected revenues and expenses. So this expected budget, normally, they are doing it the cost analysis per project. We do also have accounts receivable teams. So they are responsible for the payments received from the customer. So normally it is by cash, checks, and credit card transactions. They also update the receivables, including unpaid invoices. They also validate discrepancies through investigation. They also resolve authorized deductions, collections by examining adjustment entries. They also provide the summary and the report's receivables. Next, we do have accounts payable team. They are responsible for updating the payables. They also are responsible for payments to the vendors, employees, or even disperse petty cash. They also reconcile process work by verifying entries and comparing system reports. They also maintain account ledgers. They also provide summary and reports for the payables. To provide the summary, each financial management function plays a big role in maintaining the financial objective of the business. These different functions work hand in hand from one department to another to ensure the stability of the financial aspect of the business. So without these functions, the financial aspect of the business is a mess. Again, thank you for listening to our second topic, which is the structural business financial management function.